we go. This is the Mega wooden standard test. Alright, minimal knots as possible, and got a couple of them. Yes, these are the new interactive targets. You know, kind of Smoky Oak is trying to compete with Tannerite companies. So here we go. Yeah, it's got a knot there. Hopefully I'm going to try to go dead center on it. What it is 2x6 big clay, and another 2x6 we're going to shoot and just see what goes on. That is the Mega wooden standard. Okie dokie, here we go with the Mega wooden standard. We got the 300 Blackout. We're going to be doing this with the Winchester Deer Season XP in 150 grain at about 50 yards to see what the blow up bubble inside the clay is between the two 2x6s. It's like a gigantic ice cream sandwich. Deer Season XP 300 Blackout is doing the deal. Glad it kept that clay together. This is what this is what I'm hoping to show y'all. That is the explosive bubble going on the inside. That is heavy modeler's clay. We got pass through, one pair of jeans. No, two pair of jeans. This is Deer Season XP. This is a 300 Blackout. We're into the third pair of jeans. 300 Blackout, Deer Season XP. Through two 2x6s, roughly 2 inches of clay, and knocking a ding into the third pair of jeans. They're in a Blackout is definitely, I don't know. I mean, it's not underrated. It's underthought. We'll just put it that way. It's definitely underthought. All right, here we go with the Mega wooden standard of the 300 Blackout, the misunderstood bullet. Doing this in Deer Season XP, 150 grain. We got this bullet, remember again, went through all this in two pair of jeans and got stuck at the very first part of the third pair of jeans. But what do we got going on? All right, here we go. We got an entry going in and a nice drill hole coming out. That is a good drill hole. And then here is the kicker. This is the pocket, the explosion pocket. I mean, you could go further, but I'm just going there. 4.5 inches, blew up, giving y'all an idea of when it hits. This is what's going on. You see? Now that's the pocket going. You know, the explosion, expansion. And then let's see what we got. Rim to rim, doing the damage over an inch. There's the backside damage of it. You can see what's going on in the middle. Mass devastation. There we go. Here's the bullet sticking together pretty well. As you can see, we got this little fold crease right here. It kind of follows along that line coming out, you know, putting the puzzle piece together, because this is ballistic science here. 6'1", 4 out of 150 grain. What do we got left? What do we have left? A little bit of blue jean in there, but that's okay. I have 150 grain. We are still holding on. We're going to call it 128. 129, 129 grains out of 150. That is rock solid, minus a little bit of denim and stuff. Like I said, Deer Season XP, 300 Blackout, an underthought bullet.